Yo, Uzi, what's up with you, man?
Welcome to Philadelphia, man. Welcome home.
What's up, bro? Hey, everybody.
Everybody's waving like, bro, you Barack Obama or something?
Bro, we're in Philadelphia. The biggest thing since cream cheese.
What made you get into music, though?
I had a friend in high school. He made like a lot of cool songs. Every song was like, you know, and the school loved it. So he was taking all of my attention. So I had to start making songs too, and I figured it out.
What are some of your inspirations, you know?
In order to, like, you know, survive out here, yeah, you can get inspiration from people, but you gotta inspire yourself. You gotta be inspired yourself.
I feel that.
I know as I'm talking to you right now, I'm over here thinking about my next move.